The Domino zone has never been drill tested before, and the results from this news release are the very first to come out of this area. Following up on our bonanza superficial discovery in 2019, this year's exploration program closely examined this new zone, which exhibits similar mineralization style, grade, and orientation to the ore body of the past-producing Scottie gold mine, which is found along strike 2 kilometers to the east. Superficial sampling this summer revealed 3 new high-grade showings in the area, with multiple samples above 50 grams per ton gold. These new showings coincide with geophysical anomalies from our 2020 IP survey, and together they increase the extent of the known mineralized zone by nearly 50%. Our drilling program this summer tested only a limited portion of this zone, yet generated multiple high-grade intervals that prove gold mineralization continues at depth. But more importantly, these results confirm our hypothesis that a high-grade gold mineralizing system occurs along strike from the past-producing Scottie gold mine, offering incredible potential to host a large high-grade gold deposit.